welcome. I'm Sylvia. Welcome to my kitchen creations. On today's episode, we're going to make some delicious wings. We're going to start off by getting them nice and crispy. Then we're going to make some sweet and savory sauce to go on top of them. You can serve this with some steamed rice or noodles, whatever your heart desire, or you can just eat them as is. They are that delicious, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. After cleaning your chicken, go in with some paper towels and pat them dry. After patting them dry, go in with some oil. Just make sure that the chicken is coated with that oil because we want our seasoning to stick to them. Now, go in with some black pepper, some garlic powder, some seasoning salt, and some adobo seasoning. Just like so, just make sure that they are well seasoned. Now go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 380. Depending on your air fryer, I'm going to allow mine to preheat before adding in my wings. Now it is ready for my wings. Do not overcrowd your air fryer. It's okay to cook them in batches. Now allow them to cook for 20 minutes. This is how my wings are looking after 20 minutes. They look perfect. They are nice and crispy, and this is exactly what you're looking for. Now to make the sauce, add your soy sauce into a bowl. Add your rice vinegar. Add your sesame oil. Add your oyster sauce. Add your honey. Give that a mix. Over medium heat in a skillet or a wok, add your oil, add your garlic, and your ginger. Go ahead and cook that for 1 minute. After a minute, this is how it's looking, and it smells so delicious. Now go in with your sauce. So now allow this to come to a boil, so about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that it is boiling, go in with your green onions. After adding in your green onions, go ahead and allow this to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is how our sauce is looking. Now it is ready for our wings. Now allow the wings to simmer in the sauce for about 2 minutes. I don't have much to say besides my wings are done and I cannot wait to enjoy them. Take a look. Don't they look amazing? I just can't wait any longer, so. They are perfect. The best. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.